You get this error message from Apex Legends, and the error says disconnect persistence read complete failed. Now I'll guide you on how to resolve this issue. Make sure to listen to this tutorial very carefully. Now that this error message means, which say disconnect persistence read complete failed. Now it's not about your device or internet. The issue is normally on their end. Their online services are experiencing a problem, and it usually occurs when Apex Legends servers are down. If you go to the Apex Legends subreddit, you can see lots of people are complaining regarding the same issue, which means that this is a server issue rather than your own problem. So if you go to various threads, you can see those people are complaining regarding the same problem, which show that it occurs when their online services are experiencing a problem, and it occurs when Apex Legends servers are down. So you'll need to wait until their servers are restored, which usually takes like a few hours. You can wait like 3 to 4 hours, and the issue will resolve by itself. However, some people have reported that when they try this, they were able to resolve the problem. Try to restart your device in the router, then launch the game again. Or try connecting to a different network, such as using a phone hotspot or a different Wi-Fi network, since sometimes your ISP may be the culprit. If you're connected to a VPN, try disconnecting a VPN. But in most cases, this occurs when their online services are experiencing a problem, and usually occurs when Apex Legends servers are down. So you need to wait like a few hours, 3 to 4 hours, and the problem should resolve by itself. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this has helped you, and see you next time.